Do you need a ready-to-go presentation in seconds? In this tutorial, we're going to figure out how you can do it using Canva's Magic Design and do it instantly. Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how you can easily create a presentation instantly with Canva's Magic Design. The first thing you want to do is go to your web browser and then go to canva.com. And make sure to sign into your account. And from your home screen, make sure you select the presentation format. Then you can type in a simple prompt describing your topic like marketing strategy or healthy lifestyle tips. So what you basically need to do is scroll down here and then you can go to Magic Media. Here you can generate graphics, videos, images. So this is all the things that you can generate using different prompts. Now you can also go ahead and do it from an existing designs or templates. Now you can just go to the app section over here and then tap on the search bar to simply search for something like presentation or something. And you can find this AI slides maker over here. Click on this. Now just tap on open. And you can easily enter your prompt over here. So describe what you would like to create. I can just do something like healthy lifestyle tips. And then hit enter. Now you can just scroll down and then tap on generate. Enter the number of slides. Let's say if I just want 5 slides for now, tap on generate, and it's going to automatically generate slides for you. Now you can browse through all of the slides and make small changes if needed. You can change images, text, colors to match your style. As you can see here, it has generated these topics and slides as well. However, the pictures are quite random. It does not match it, but what you can do is easily change the pictures by yourself. You'll get your presentation template. You can use another style from here as well. You can just tap on see all and then select what kind of style you want. Now that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.